Hi guys, thanks for joining today as we say the sounds in words. Some of the words we're going to work on will have two sounds. Some of the words we are going to work on will have 1, 2, 3 sounds in them. So let's just get started with our first word, dog. Dog has 3 sounds. We're going to tap the sounds out. Ready? D, A, G. Let's do it again. D, A, G. One more time. D, A, G. Now we're going to push the sounds. And if you want to pause the video because you want something to push, that's fine. Then just press play when you come back. Okay, here we go. Let's tap the sounds one more time. D, A, G, and push them. D, A, G. All right. Our next word is the number 3. So I'm going to put him right there. Let's tap the sounds out. F, E. Again, please. F, E. So if this is a little bit hard for you, when I'm doing it, pay attention to my mouth, and you're going to see each time I tap, my mouth moves differently. So I have f, E. And when I say the word 3, my mouth makes all of those movements just much faster. Let's tap one more time. F, E. And let's push. F, E. Okay. Oops. We have to move him and make some space. So our next word is hen. Okay, let's tap it. N. Again, please. N. One more time. N. And let's push it. N. 3 sounds in the word hen. Bat is next. Okay. Bat. Again. Bat. One more time. Bat. Let's push them. Bat. All right, so if this is kind of confusing and kind of hard, that's okay. You can keep playing the videos many times as you want and practice over and over and over again. Sometimes it takes us a long time to learn things. It's fine. Now, this is that gooey stuff that we hope we don't step in if we go to the beach because it's black on our feet. Tar. Tar only has 2 sounds. Let's tap them. T, R. Again, please. T, R. One more time. T, R. Let's push. T, R. Okay. Ball. If you go to the beach, you might take one of these. Ball. Okay, let's tap it. Ba, ah, ol. Again. Ba, ah, ol. Once more. Ba, ah, ol. And push it. Ba, ah, ol. 3 sounds in the word ball. Hive. A bee's hive where they like to make honey. Also has 3 sounds. Let's tap the sounds. I, v. Again. I, v. One more time. I, v. And let's push the sounds. I, v. 3 sounds in hive. And we have one more. Tree, tree. Okay, here we go. T, E. Again. T, E. Once more. T, E. And here we go to push the sounds. T, E. Ta-da! We finished for today. See you next time.